Hello, Eric here for myinsuranceClaims.org. I'm going to show you today how to search for claims. So the first thing you want to do, you want to log in with your claims professional account. On the right hand side, it's going to tell you if you're logged in or not. So once you're logged in, you're gonna have access to more menu items. One of them is the search claims. So let's click on it. Once you're on the insurance claims search page, on the left hand side you have a filter result box, and you can make broad search or you can perform a surgical search as well. So let's make one for the demonstration. So I'm going to look for claims that are related to water and flood. So in the category segment, I choose water and flood. I'm going to choose for claims that are, let's say, in the Miami area. So I'm going to first select Florida. Then I'm going to have a second drop-down menu that's going to appear where I can choose the metropolitan area of my choice. I go down to Miami area, and I can specify a claim value bracket here. I don't have to, but let's say for the sake of the demonstration, I'm going to choose medium claims valued anywhere between $30,000 and $100,000, and I'm going to search for that. There you go. You have claims that are related to water and flood in the Miami area, and those are $45,000, $60,000, so we're in the bracket that I specified, $30,000 to $100,000.